If you suspect that your Steam account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account safely. Step 1. Visit the Steam support website. Go to the official Steam support website. This is where you will find the necessary tools and resources to recover your account. Step 2. Select I can't access my account. On the Steam support homepage, click on the option that says I can't access my account. This will guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Choose your account type. You will be prompted to select the type of account you are trying to recover. Choose the appropriate option based on whether you have a Steam account or a Steam wallet. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, entering your email address, or providing a phone number linked to your account. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be given the option to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to ensure your account is secure. After completing these steps, monitor your account for any further suspicious activity and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Taking these precautions will help protect your account in the future.